Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting on a Budget. I finally did it. Here it is. It is the file folder album. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. Well guys, before I forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Below on the right hand side you're going to see a bell. Click on that and that will notify you whenever I go live or whenever I upload a video. And I'm sorry my voice is a little scratchy, but I think it's the allergies. So here it is. I think it came out amazingly stunning, and I've used sewing pattern paper to attach to my cover along with other fabrics and laces and fibers and all kinds of yumminess. I think it turned out great. So let's take a look inside and see what we have going on. Oh, and before I forget, the little fibers here, that's actually, remember I said when I trimmed off my ribbon for this here to kind of fray it, that's the fibers. I just love using that kind of stuff for my projects. So let's take a look inside. So I use some there and there, as you can see. See what we have. All right. So inside here we can put a beautiful picture or whatever you want to put in. There's that. A little tag with some fraying or eyelash yarn. There's a little belly band with some tags from the collection. And this little tab here is a punch that was gifted to me from by Miss Jackie Huff. Thank you so much. It's the Stampin' Up! Tab punch. It's come very handy. So it goes just like that. Then over here it's going to go on the side. There's a 24, and then open it up. You can write there. You can write in the back as well. And then another little tag. Got more tags. Use the button. Didn't decorate the back of that one, but that's okay because it's kind of stiff there. And there's two tags from the collection. I put Santa Claus, a trim. Over here, again, a trim, carols, another one of those little flip. These are all from the manila folder leftovers. There's a button. Here's a little pull out. Again, here's that tab. And one thing I want to recommend is when you're buying paper, especially limited small packs, especially in Tuesday morning, you want to make sure you pick up at least, because they're very limited as to how many sheets come in there. So you want to pick up maybe one or two, I would say at the most 2 packs, because I literally had to dip into another pack to complete this. And so I did not buy 2 packs because I had only found one. So luckily there was another collection that resembled a little the collection here that I have going on, or the color scheme that I have going on. So I was lucky about that. That was a close call. Typically I always like to buy 2 packs irregardless of how many sheets of paper are in there, because of things like this, because if I screw up a piece of paper, I want to make sure I have some backup. But this collection didn't have too many sheets. I mean, it was a very small pack, of course, for $5.99. What can you expect? But originally it was $14.99. I went through the whole entire thing, plus some from another collection, and I ended up using like maybe 1 or 2 from another collection. So this is what's left over from it. I used everything, I mean literally. So there's that. I did a little side pocket here, some tag with eyelash yarn, and then there's a little pull out here with a button. Put that here. It sits right there on the button, and then there's a little tag some yarn. You can write some here, attach something. Here's another little pull out. We use a lot of the little yummies from the collection. And then you can add more stuff there. More tags. More yummies. Again, here's another little tag from the top pocket. Another little button. So yeah, I totally recommend always buy 2 packs at least. At the minimum. I took a little paper clip, tied a little ribbon there. And there's that one. There's another little belly band. This is one of the stickers. I glued it down with a piece of scrap chipboard and some hot glue so that I can attach that one there. All right, what goes there? And then that will go there. Just like that. More little pull-outs. There you go. It's better to do it this way so that when you're tying it, it doesn't mess up your little tags. There we go. And here's my little trifold or flip, what do you call it? Flip frame, something like that. Can't think right now. I think I'm coming down with a cold or something. I don't know. I thought it was allergies, but my throat's kind of aching. Anyway, there we go. We have a little one of each, like red, green, red. And then there's a little deer. I had a little bell that I had laying here. And it just kind of flips. Okay. And then over here, more yummies. More tags because you can't have enough. This is entirely all the collection here. A little folder or a little pocket. Sorry, not folder. Again, you can add a beautiful little image here. I used all the stuff from the collection, so I guess I could have gone in. I really not much I could put there. Maybe I could put like that. Maybe they can journal on there. Let's add that. These are little stickers. Yeah, under the mistletoe. Let's put that one over here. Distress that a little. And you guys know I always use vintage photos. Not that because I think it's just, to me, it's a personal preference and it doesn't have to go. And we'll put season's greetings. And you can, at these, oops, wrong one, May. You can take some scrap chipboard like this, which is what I like to do. I don't like buying the dimensions because it's just a waste of money. When you have scrap, I know we all have scraps that we can use, so I just kind of do that. A lot more affordable. There we go. We'll put that there. That'll work for me. Lots of little yummies there. And then for the back, I guess we could put our friend Saint Nick here. And let's go put him a little bit. Let's make him dimensional because he just needs to be. And we can add some fibers. This stuff is so awesome. Saint Nick can go down here, like so. There we go. Happy Christmas Day. Very nice. Okay, so I think that, so yeah, that is it. In the back I just had it like this, and I think that does it for this album, guys. This came out really adorable. I hope this inspires you guys to create one, and that you that you can notate all your beautiful, memorable moments during the Christmas holidays. And I do apologize that it took me a while to do this. It's just that I had to get my Fabri-Tac, and I did get it, and then I had some other projects to do. So anyway, hope this inspired you to create something beautiful for the Christmas holidays. And this is definitely a beautiful, here's another one I forgot to show you guys. A beautiful little album that you can give someone for the holidays, where they can put all their beautiful memories of the Christmas seasons or traditions that you might have, whether it's recipes or whatever it is. You can definitely cherish them in a little album such as this one. So I hope you guys click on the like button, share the videos, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. And don't forget to leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.